China is against all forms of Islamophobia, the country's top diplomat in Geneva said at a debate during the ongoing 53rd session of the United Nations Human Rights Council. Ambassador Chen Xu, head of the Chinese mission to the United Nations, stressed that China has always advocated mutual respect, tolerance, and understanding between different civilizations.
中方支持举行此次紧急辩论。我们对有关国家再次发生焚烧古兰经的事件表示强烈谴责。中方一贯主张不同文明相互尊重、包容互鉴，坚决反对一切形式的伊斯兰恐惧症。伊斯兰文明为世界文明做出了重要贡献，穆斯林的信仰和宗教感情应当得到尊重。所谓言论自由，不应当成为煽动文明冲突、制造文明对立的理由。中方愿同各方共同践行全球文明倡议，倡导坚持文明平等、互鉴、对话、包容，以文明交流超越文明隔阂，文明互鉴超越文明冲突，文明包容超越文明优越。我们希望并相信此次紧急辩论以及后续的对话与讨论，能够推动一些国家拿出政治意愿，采取切实行动，解决导致傲慢、歧视和排外言行的深层次问题，增强对不同宗教和文明的理解与尊重，推动构建人类命运共同体。
The UNHCR on Tuesday launched an urgent debate on an alarming rise in premeditated and public acts of religious hatred, as demonstrated by the frequent desecration of the Holy Quran in some European countries. The Council subsequently adopted a resolution on the matter on Wednesday morning.